finally cracks and exposes a rich, oily kernel. Youngsters watch and imitate the adults just as human toddlers do. If they are to become independent, they must learn to crack their own nuts. But the learning process is long, with many frustrations. They learn early on that to do a job properly, you need the right tool. It can take 8 years for a capuchin to master this art and overcome the palm's formidable defenses. But some plants have turned the tables and feed on animals. This is a highly sophisticated trap. The bait? Sugary nectar around the rim of the disc. The triggers? Fine hairs, 2 of which have to be touched within 20 seconds of each other. The victim, a fly, which finds the color and nectar irresistible. One. Two. Triggered, the trap snaps shut so fast that the fly is imprisoned. The Venus flytrap now slowly digests its victim.